There is nothing quite as frustrating as a diesel engine that refuses to start on a cold morning, or one that starts blowing thick black smoke all over the place. If your scanner is showing a code P06BC, your car is telling you there is a range or performance problem with the glow plug circuit for cylinder number 4. Now, remember that diesel engines do not use spark plugs because they rely on high compression to get things moving. But to get that compression to actually ignite the fuel when the engine is cold, we need these glow plugs to act like tiny heaters inside the cylinder head. The PCM, or a separate glow plug timer, sends battery voltage to that element until it literally glows red hot. Away. If the computer detects that the voltage in that fourth cylinder circuit is not what it expects, it triggers this code and throws your car into a bit of a fit. You might see reduced fuel efficiency or even misfire codes along with it. Common culprits include a burned-out glow plug, a loose connector, or even a faulty timer module. To fix this, you will need your trusty digital voltmeter and maybe a scanner. A pro tip for you is to actually pull the glow plug out and carefully apply battery voltage to it. If it does not glow bright red almost instantly, you have found your problem. Just be super careful not to burn yourself or start a fire while testing it. Also, when you are checking fuses and relays, make sure you test them while the circuit is under load, otherwise, a bad fuse might look perfectly fine. Double check that you are actually working on cylinder number 4 before you start pulling things apart, as mixing up the cylinder order is a mistake I see people make all the time. Let me know if you want to know the specific resistance values for your particular engine.